Are you a student?
Yes, sir. I'm a student. I have completed my SSC 2022. Right now, I'm a student at Rahat English Care, and I'm also a student at international student from China. I will go China next month.
Next month.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, why have you decided to go to China?
Because China is a great opportunity to provide me, and I have get a 100% scholarship. That's why I will go China.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Perfect. Wow. Okay. Do you want to settle down there?
No, sir. I have completed my bachelor. Then I back my hometown, and I stay 2 or 3 months. Then I will go Europe country.
What do you want to do in the next 5 years?
First of all, sir, it's very difficult for me, and I will try to success. And first of all, I complete my graduation, and I want to be a software engineer, and I want to learn programming language and like Java, C++, and Python. And then I want to build a useful software, and I contribute software and technology sector.
What's your favorite flower and why?
My favorite flower is a lily. It's a very gorgeous flower, and it's famous all of Bangladesh, and it's a national flower in our country. That's why I like lily.
Has any girl ever given you a flower?
Yes, sir.
When?
When I study at class 8, first time I gave a flower.
You gave.
I gave a flower.
Okay, and how was your feeling then?
That time I feel great, sir. First time I
You feel great.
yes, sir.
Okay, that's fantastic. Do you prefer taking tea?
Yes, sir. Every day I take a tea, and when I feel sad but tired, that time I will go outside, and I go outside and I take tea and coffee.
Okay. Do you have a favorite tea stall?
No, sir. I have no favorite tea stall, but right now I'm a stay at Dhaka. At that time I'm a residential student at Rahat English Care. That's why I don't go outside anytime. And
Are tea stalls common in your area?
yes, sir. Tea stall are many common in our area. In outside, every more have many tea stall, and sometimes I take a tea many tea stalls.
Okay. What do you usually do if you go to a tea stall?
First of all, I go tea stall and I ordered my tea, and then I take tea and return my.
Thank you, Parvez. This is the end of your speaking test.
Thanks.